winter Urus. Let's wrap up our video without losing momentum. It is quite possible that in the near future, cars will look like this. However, even right now, there are fascinating solutions worth mentioning. For instance, Lamborghini, the Italian automaker, offers Urus owners a winter adventure accessory kit. This package includes updated side steps, a retractable trunk section, a set of chains, Auriga winter tires on special rims, floor mats, and other essentials for navigating winter roads. With all-wheel drive, 650 horsepower under the hood, a suspension that increases ground clearance to 25 centimeters, and dynamic torque distribution, the Urus provides the necessary elements for a joyous winter driving experience. McLaren Solus GT. McLaren continues to make headlines with captivating news. Reports indicate that by 2030, the company will cease production of gasoline engines, and they are also working on a family car. Exciting developments are occurring in the realm of hypercars as well. Last year, fans were delighted with the McLaren Solus GT. It was originally designed for the game Gran Turismo, but the car turned out so impressive that McLaren decided to create a limited series. It boasts Formula One technology, a V10 engine with 840 horsepower, and a rev limit of 10,000 RPM, along with titanium, carbon fiber, and other high-performance materials. No wonder all 25 cars were sold through pre-orders, despite the price of $4 million. Real estate AR. Let's take a look at the future of real estate envisioned by a Canadian firm. With these augmented reality glasses, a whole new world unfolds. You can look at houses and instantly access data on apartments available for sale or rent. You can observe construction sites to see ongoing projects and their timelines. You can visit an apartment and meet a virtual realtor with all apartment details displayed before your eyes. You can also assess how furniture, appliances, and other items will fit into the rooms. Adding to the experience, these glasses offer music, video calls, email, navigation guidance, and activity tracking such as walking and driving. Do you think realtors should be concerned? Zapata Airscooter. The designers of the first project modestly claim to have created the most perfect personal flying vehicle. It can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, offer 2 hours of flight time on a single refueling, and accommodate a payload of 120 kilograms. Their concept is undeniably intriguing. The prototype was showcased at the Viva Technology Show in Paris this past June. Nazzeni eVTOL aircraft. Imagine driving a sleek and spacious electric car that can go 300 kilometers on a single charge. That's the vision of the second project, a futuristic 5-seater that is still in the design phase. The innovators behind this project are eager to talk to anyone who wants to invest in their dream. They have also shared a stunning video from China's biggest drone show, the Shenzhen International U8 Expo.